now I will simply unhide all the other sections and then quickly customize it.
A few moments later.
One thing I forgot to mention is that you can reposition these sections by simply dragging them up or down. And in case if you don't want any section, you can delete it by clicking on this trash icon. To add more sections on the page, simply click on this Add Section button, and you'll see over 20 different sections for the home page. Alright, the next section on this page is this two-column section. I can use it to show our product collections. First, I will change the title from the right sidebar. Let's name it Our Collections. Next, I will select the first column, and then from the right side, I will rename it to New Arrivals. I will also add an image for this section. Lastly, I will link this section to our New Arrivals collection. And now it is looking much better. I will repeat the same steps with the second column. I will rename it as Best Sellers, and then I will add one of our product image here. By the way, you can also add some stock footages if you want to. Simply click here and then click on Explore Free Images. Here, you'll find hundreds of copyright-free images. Simply search for the images you want, and then you'll get these results. Now choose any image you like and then set it as your banner image. I will select this one for now and then confirm. I will link this section to our bestsellers collection. Of course, this image is not perfectly sized, which is why this section is not looking good. But don't worry, Shopify also allows you to edit the images within this editor. Simply click on this edit button and you'll be taken here. From here, you can easily crop and resize your images. I will crop it in a square shape and apply the changes. And then I will hit the Save button. And now if we go back, you'll see that both columns are looking good and well structured. And just like this, the second section is also complete. By now, you may have already understood how the editor actually works. So let's move a bit faster and complete the home page design. We have the Featured Collections sections next. This is mainly used for showcasing the latest products or the best-selling products. We can change this heading at the top. Next, we can also change the background color. And there are many other options available here which you can enable or disable based on your need. The key element is to showcase the products. To do that, we only need to select the collection here, and then all the products from that collection will start showing on the page. You can also change the styles from here, and then enable or disable these settings based on your preference. These are self-explanatory settings, so I won't dig much deeper into it. Next up, we have the Image with Text section. This is a good place to talk about your brand, your values, thought process, etc. Or you can also use it for showcasing your products. For example, I can mention the newly added products in this section. First, I will change the color of this section. Next, in the Image section, I will upload one of my product images. And that's basically it. We do have many different settings here which you can play around with. For example, I can add a second product image which will appear along with the first image. I can change the image position, and then I will change the title here. I will keep the description unchanged for now. And last but not least, I will link the New Arrivals collection in the button. And just like this, the Image with Text section is also complete. Next up, we have another Featured Collection section. Just like last time, we can simply select a collection here, and then the products will start showing here. But we have already added the collection earlier, so we don't need this one. So I will select this entire section and then click on the trash icon to delete it from the page. Next up, we have the Video section, which is great. If you have some promo video for your brand, you can directly upload the video to Shopify, or you can simply add your video link here. For now, I will change the video type to external. Next, under Video Link, I will add my YouTube video link. Next, I can also add a cover for the video. Think of it as your video thumbnail. I can add one of the previous images here, OR. We can simply explore the free image library and choose the one that fits the best. This one is looking good, so let's select it for now. And then make sure to preview it in all 3 devices. As you can see, the video is looking very small in mobile view. To solve it, we only need to change the video ratio to 16:9, which is the original ratio for a YouTube video. And now it is looking a little bit better. There are many other options available here, which you can enable or disable as per your need. And just like this, the video section is also complete.